girl Kyra was really good. I love to hear that. Oh shit, son.
Yo,
Yeah, like my girl was saying, was really good with y'all bitches. And talking all that shit, can't do shit.
Yeah, but anyway, like, I don't even know. She died as a motherfucker. Yeah, I mean,
that nigga over there.
Boom, boom, Monte Pizza.
Shut up. Cook the soldier fucking
Superman.
Superman. Stupid. No.
But yeah, yo, what's good with the Soulja Boy songs? Like they doing the Spider-Man, the Lion King. Need to stop that. Need to stop that. It's getting tired. It's getting played out.
Soulja Boy. Stop you.
Yo, you see her leg right here? Look at that. Look at that.
Yeah.
Alright, well,
That's my baby.
this is for her nigga, her Lion King nigga. Who don't know how to talk to nobody no more.
Fucking asshole. When I see him, I'ma slap the shit out of him.
It's okay. Wait. Yeah, we just coming through to the spot to show that this is the one and only Kyra, the one and only Carlene, aka
The blue flag represents her man Brian.
Yeah, like we holla at you. On the flip side, my nigga, I holla at you, I holla at you, I holla at you, I holla at you. Yo,
We definitely just fucked that up. Let's do it again.